Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a story time video. I went through this period with my hair recently. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, go ahead and follow me. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that I was really struggling with my hair the past couple of weeks, and I thought it was something. Ended up being something else. So I wanted to share this experience with you guys. As you can tell from the title, I went into protein overload. So I will show you all the steps that I took before realizing that I had protein overload. I will share some pictures with you guys, and then I will show you how I fixed it. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe and turn on those post notifications down below so that you know every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Let us take a trip down memory lane to September 12th, 2020. A couple of weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, I think. On this day, I had gone to Alabama to visit my family, and while I was there, I got my hair colored and cut. Obviously, I got the bangs. Insert picture here. So after this, I knew what I had to do. I had to rebuild my strands. They were quite fragile from being colored and also heat styled that weekend. So, of course, when I got back to Kentucky, I started using Olaplex treatments and I started to use tons of protein products. I always recommend using protein and Olaplex to help strengthen your strands after a color treatment. However, I did not take into account the weather. The first time I got my hair colored while I was on this curly, wavy journey, it was during a time where the weather in Alabama was very humid. So whenever I was using all of my protein products, I had the humidity of the air kind of moisturizing my hair. This, however, was not the case when I came back to Kentucky. These past couple of weeks, I was really struggling with my hair. It was feeling dry, it was feeling brittle, but I just thought it was because I had colored my hair. So I was like, you know what? I need even more protein. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll insert a couple of pictures here how my hair had been looking while I was using a bunch of protein and a bunch of Olaplex. Again, I thought it was because I had colored my hair, so I was treating it with protein. However, contrary to what I thought, my hair actually needed moisture. The weather was getting cooler here. As you can tell, it's now sweater weather. But it was getting cooler here, and so the humidity was leaving the air. It was drier air. So instead of packing in more protein for the colored hair, I should have instead been packing in moisture for the lack of humidity in the air. I finally figured this out when one day I was washing my hair and I could tell that my strands were not getting moisturized when I was squishing my conditioner in. And so I immediately rinsed that conditioner out, went to Ulta with my sopping wet hair because I really don't have any products that are like full on moisture, I realized, which is not good. I should have some of those products. But I ran to Ulta and got me some products. I grabbed these Curlsmith products. These products are the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask, the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and the Hydro Style Flexi Gel. I got these three because I knew that they were, for the most part, very, very moisturizing. They have hyaluronic acid in them, green tea, they have a bunch of stuff. So I grabbed these products and I went back and I re-washed my hair and I put in this mask. I left it in for about 15 minutes and I then rinsed it out, put these products in, and boy, was my hair feeling so much better. It immediately bounced right back up. I will insert a picture right here of what my hair looked like after I used these products, and it felt so much better. Now, it did not get back to its full potential, but it did look a lot bouncier, a lot healthier. It felt healthier. So it's been a couple of days since then, and I have continued to use these products in combination with protein products because my hair still wants the protein. Once I got it out of protein overload, I was able to use my protein products again. I just have to now take into consideration the lack of humidity in the air now as I style my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like today. I added back in some protein. I think it looks so much better. Let me show you the back. I definitely think it looks better than it did. So my tips for if you go into protein overload, definitely skip out on the proteins the next time you wash your hair. Deep condition with a hydrating mask. Honestly, I was struggling to find one that didn't have proteins in it at the drugstore. So that's why I went with Curlsmith, but they had this nice little travel size at Ulta. But yes, deep conditioning is key to getting your hair out of protein overload. And if your hair loves protein like mine, remember that in the wintertime, it's still gonna need a little bit of moisture. If you want to know in detail the products that I used today and kind of how I style my hair in the fall/winter time when there is not as much humidity in the air, I am going to film a video once I kind of figure out exactly my routine in a couple of weeks. So again, turn on those post notifications and just be looking out for that. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that maybe it will prevent you from going into protein overload like I did, because it's kind of scary. I thought my hair was gonna fall out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and go ahead and comment down below letting me know if you have ever experienced something with your hair such as this and what you did to overcome it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.